Hello fellow crafters and welcome to maxdmcrafting. Now I need dwarven golden gates. Pretty neat. The main inspiration for this project are these Dwemer gates from Skyrim. Crack on! So we're using these aquarium filters, plastics. I show you this already in my thermal power plant video. Check it out. These are great because they are modular. They can fit together, so you can combine them like that, you see? And so they are great for platform, grids, and stuff like that. But this time I want to use them as gates. Dwarven gates, modular dwarven gates for my dwarven dungeon. So I will start with my template. I want to keep basically the main shape. I will use just this template for cut here, so we need to mark. This can be a problem. Let me try with this. It works. We will create a couple of them. So one, you see, I want to use this also for some reinforcement. We will deal with these pieces but later. Now just the shape. Very nice. Check that they are the same. Yes. Little bit more like that. We will do the same. But this time with experience, so easier. Let me cut. I kind of prefer this one. Yeah, I want to keep this shape. Nice. I prefer this. Again, cut off this bits. Very nice. Now we need a base with some chipboard. I think we need at least 3 inches for these gates. More than 3 inches because we need then pillars. So this gate will be 4 inches. Okay, this is 4. It's perfect. 4 inches by 1. Let's measure and cut that. Now pillars. I have pre-cutted these foam pillars. These are 5 inches and something, 5 inches and half an inch by half an inch. So the idea is to have this structure, but maybe it's too high. Let's glue them together and then we understand what it's okay. Also we have this problem on this side, so I want to cut this out. Nice, so now it's flush. I think this should be at the same height of this. This, yes, we cut this. Should texture this one. Now, I want to use this for a reinforcement bar. I need a couple of them. So, this can be removable. I like it. For the inside, okay? This is inside. Then we need to fix this problem here. So I have some extra bits. This is very interesting. Maybe need something better. This is more dwarvish. Here this one, and here this one. Yes. Let's cut this a little bit better. I should have done this before. Nice. I'm not satisfied with this upper part. I'm gonna use this. It's done. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also share this channel with your friends and you will help this community grow. Remember, if you think that my work is inspirational and somehow useful for the community, support this channel through Patreon or PayPal. Also, if you want to buy some of the equipments and material that I'm using, check the description box below. Those are Amazon affiliated links, so no additive cost for you and you will help this channel grow and do better and better. Till next time, stay safe and take care.